Welcome to WealthRise. Today I want you to consider this explainer your absolute classified briefing on the 5 most profitable AI workflows heading into 2026. If you've been looking for a way to actually leverage artificial intelligence to build a brand new stream of income, well, you are in exactly the right place. We're going to break down the specific tools, the exact pipelines, and the step-by-step strategies that are literally working right now. So let's get right into it. Most of them were complete garbage. I wanted to hook you right away with this quote straight from our source material today, because it is just so brutally honest, right? Look, let's be real. There is a massive amount of noise out there on the internet right now. Honestly, most side hustle advice you see floating around is either totally outdated or just practically useless. But the frameworks we're going over today, they come directly from someone who spent months rigorously testing the entire landscape of AI side hustles. What we've distilled for you in this explainer are the rare, tested blueprints that actually do the job. So, here is our tactical roadmap. Think of these as 5 distinct mission briefs we are about to unpack. Blueprint 1 is automated AI e-commerce. Blueprint 2 is local social media management. Blueprint 3 is digital product creation. Blueprint 4 covers AI music generation. And Blueprint 5 dives into faceless YouTube channels. We're going to move efficiently through each of these, so definitely stay focused. Let's kick things off with Blueprint 1, automated AI e-commerce. Okay, imagine building a fully functional, highly optimized, sports-themed e-commerce machine in just a matter of minutes. And the best part? You don't need a single technical skill. That's exactly what this tech stack achieves. Your foundational tool here is called buildyourstore.ai. You just answer a few simple questions, and it literally builds a beautiful Shopify store from scratch and stocks it with winning products. We're talking things like sports duffel bags or breathing trainers, entirely picked out by AI. And get this, when a customer buys something, this software actually orders the item and ships it completely hands-off. It's wild. But of course, a store needs traffic, right? So you stack that with a tool called Create UGC. You just paste a product link into it, and it generates an incredibly realistic AI influencer talking about your product. Our source highlights a generated video of an AI avatar actually taking towels out of a duffel bag, and honestly, it is shockingly realistic. You post those videos on social media, and boom, you drive traffic straight to your store. Now hold on a second. Before we get too carried away, I want to ground our cinematic tone with a really crucial reality check. While AI does an unbelievable amount of the heavy lifting here, from picking the products to handling all that back-end automation, success still absolutely requires your human validation. These are tested frameworks, yes, for sure, but they are not magical get-rich-quick guarantees. The technology significantly lowers the barrier to entry, but the execution and the consistency, that's still completely up to you. Moving right along to Blueprint 2, local social media management. So local businesses desperately know they need to be active on social media, but they simply do not have the time. It's a huge pain point for them. Enter Google Labs, specifically a tool referenced as Pomeli, to solve their problem literally instantly. Check this out. You just take the URL of your prospective local business client, feed it into the tool, and it instantly scans their site to extract what we call their brand DNA. It pulls their exact fonts, their brand colors, their values, their tagline, their specific tone of voice, and their overall aesthetic. From there, you can instantly tell the AI to generate a highly targeted on-brand campaign, like a massive promotional push for Black Friday, using all their correct assets. In literally seconds, you have a perfectly tailored pitch to just hand right to a local business. So the absolutely crucial point here is how you actually structure your service. You can offer a basic package utilizing that Google Labs workflow we just talked about. It's incredibly fast, requires very little overhead on your end, and gives clients really solid introductory social media posts. But when clients want those highly detailed, custom-tailored deliverables, that's when you upsell them to the Pro package. For this level, you jump over into Canva's built-in AI tools. Canva gives you absolute granular control over the design, which allows you to charge a serious premium for your high-ticket deliverables. All right, on to Blueprint 3, digital product creation. Let's completely unpack the pipeline for creating and selling highly requested digital assets. We're talking about things like comprehensive ebooks, which, by the way, cost absolutely nothing to reproduce once they're initially made. Here's step 1. You use ChatGPT as your main creative engine. For example, you ask it to write a really comprehensive meal prep guide for busy professionals, complete with weekly meal plans, shopping lists, and practical time-saving tips. And while ChatGPT is busy writing all of that out, you move right to step 2, assembling the layout in Canva. You grab an ebook template, use Canva's magic right to perfectly optimize the title for your target audience, and then you fire up Canva's magic media feature. You literally just type in realistic images of meal prep in landscape, and the AI generates these stunning custom photographs to place directly onto your pages. Then you simply marry the ChatGPT text with the Canva AI visuals. It's like a giant, highly profitable puzzle. To complete this particular mission brief, you just download the finished PDF. And because you used AI for both the writing and the original imagery, you now completely own a unique digital product. You can then launch it on massive high-traffic marketplaces like Amazon or Etsy, creating an asset that can be purchased infinitely with absolutely zero shipping costs or inventory headaches. Next up is Blueprint 4, AI music generation. Honestly, the developments in this space are absolutely mind-blowing. We're talking about utilizing newly developed capabilities that most people don't even realize exist out there yet. The source testing showed this tool called Music GPT generating everything from study-focused lo-fi beats to full-blown Motown songs, complete with completely original AI-generated lyrics. You can even use it for text-to-speech or generating super unique sound effects. So how do you actually cash in on this? Well, you could start a 24/7 Lo-Fi Beats YouTube channel, you could list custom music creation services on freelance sites like Fiverr, or you could just generate and sell packs of unique sound effects directly on Gumroad to other creators. The possibilities here are just massive. And finally, we arrive at Blueprint 5 Faceless YouTube Channels. This is really the art of capturing massive viewership through story-driven videos where you never once have to show your real face on camera. Here is the elite, three-step pipeline to make this happen for you. First, our source highly recommends using Claude over ChatGPT for this specific task, mainly because Claude heavily outshines it for creative, engaging writing, like crafting a gripping, chilling 5-minute scary story. Second, you take that awesome Claude script straight over to Music GPT's text-to-speech tool and pick an ultra-realistic voice. For a scary story, a deep, moody voice like the John G model works absolutely perfectly. Third, you take that voiceover straight into Canva for the visual assembly. Now this is where the real magic happens. In Canva's video editor, you lay down your John G AI voiceover track. Then you simply generate still images or drop in a few interspersed stock video clips that perfectly match the spooky mood of the story, overlaying them right on top of the audio. You download the final file, upload it to YouTube, and bam! You have just successfully launched a faceless channel using entirely AI-generated assets. So, after reviewing all 5 of these tested workflows, the big question is, which path will you commit to? Look, the absolute biggest mistake you can make right now is trying to do all of them at once. Don't do it. Just pick one of these blueprints, master the tools, and actually take action. Because in a world moving this insanely fast, standing still is really the only true risk. If you found this briefing valuable, please like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel.